Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix media disconnected error message Windows 11. First method is, right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Network Adapter, enable device. Right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, enable device. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.